Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 179. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 7. No help here, 5, 6, 7. 5 here, so 6, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 7. 7 here, so 4, 9, and 4 here, so 7, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 7. Don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 7, 8. 5 here, so 7, 8. So that means the only place our 5 can be in that row is here. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. No help here. 2, 7, 8. 2 here, 7 here. Means this is our 8, 7, 2. And that 7 makes this our 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 8, 2, 9. And that 2 makes this our 8. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 7. There's no help, so 4, 7. Oh, but with this 6, we can get rid of this 6. That means the only place the 6 can be in this box is here. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here and a 7 here. So this is our 2. That 7 means this is our 6, 7. For this top row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. That 9 makes this our 4, 7, 9. That 7 makes this our 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 8. No other help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. No Not sure how this is going to work out here. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so there's something wonky here. For this row, we're actually missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. That 5 makes this our 7, 5, 7, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8 and 2. And we'll just look quickly back through here. Everything looks right. So that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.